Right then folks, good morning. Today is Wednesday the 3rd of April. So yeah, it's going quite quick time. I mean, it feels like a minute ago it was Christmas, but here we are. Yeah, so today we're heading just down the road from home. So we're going to be taking out all the grout in between the tiles today to start with. It's all quite soft. Well, most of it's quite soft. So we should be able to get it out with just a chisel and just basically go along it. It's all kind of sandy, crumbly, muddy stuff. So once that's all out, and then for the bits that are a bit more firm, we've got an angle grinder just with a grout rake. So yeah, with the grout rake, it basically just does a really nice job of cutting in between the grout, well, in between the tiles. So yeah, that's really handy. But yeah, so I'll get to the job now. It's about a 10-minute drive. Pull up, get all my bits and stuff together. It could be a way today we could start the pressure washing. So it could be quite a nice day, but it also could be a really tedious day. You know, like people that have done it before, you know what it's like. Often you can get just listening to your voice in your head pretty much. But yeah, other than that, so yeah, what we'll do is now we'll head down and crack on and show you what's going on. Sweet. Right then folks, so we're here now. This is what we're dealing with. Just concrete. And as you can see, it's quite soft in places. So we might get through this quite quickly. But over this side, this is all quite well in. So as you can see, most of them are still quite well in place, but we're still taking it all out. So yeah, we've got all the tools we need, an angle grinder with the rake, which should make it a lot easier. Obviously I sprayed weed killer about a week ago, and as you can see, the weeds are dying. Obviously moss has a resistance to weed killer, so it never really works on moss. But yeah, I'll set you up on a time lapse and we'll get going. Right then folks, I haven't really updated you in a while, but we've basically done all of that. So basically if you draw a line here, you've just got that little bit to do there, but there's quite a few gaps in that place. So yeah, done all that. So we've got all of this left. Now half of it's soft and half of it's quite well grouted, so I'll get the grinder out for the next part. Hopefully it can move along a little bit. It's about 12:15, so yeah, about halfway through the day I'd say, and obviously we haven't really got that far, but this job is like, it's quite soul destroying to be honest, but we're getting through it. Yeah, that's how it's going. Obviously the weed killer has helped quite a lot because the weeds just pull out now. So yeah, like if I didn't spray that it'd be quite annoying. The gutter vacs obviously tiling out. Obviously we haven't tiled up all this stuff because as soon as you sweep it, it goes straight back into the hole. So what we'll do at the end is we'll sweep off all the stuff, the excess stuff on top, and then we'll go in between all the cracks with the gutter vac at the end of the day and get all the little bits left over. But yeah, steady progress. And I'll update you in a second with the time lapse. Just gonna head off, have some lunch. So yeah, see you in a sec. Right then folks, so yeah, we basically cracked on after lunch. I am just with the extension of this. I'm going with the grinder. So grinding out all the bits and bobs, but like I said earlier, it is literally soul destroying because it just feels like you're not getting anywhere. Even though you literally haven't stopped. Yeah, I mean, objectively today, we want to try and get to where the boom is. Here. Right then folks, so we're on our way home now. Yeah, I am absolutely battered, I feel exhausted. But, you know, we'll get through it. I mean, tomorrow it's gonna all the old grout's gonna come out. Because it's basically just an angle grinder day, pretty much. You've got a few bits that you can go with the chisel. But yeah, so once we've done that, we'll get on, we're getting all the cleaning stuff in the morning. So I'm bringing the pressure washer, buffer tank, hypo, etc. So yeah, once we've got that, we should be all good to go. And then once we've done that, obviously we've got the joy neck compound, which came today. So yeah, that's the stuff from Pure Seal. So it's quite easy start. It's like sandy cement kind of thing. So you keep the surface nice and wet, and basically brush this like compound into all the gaps, and it looks really nice when it's finished. But yeah, the customers told me that the bricks are like a kind of orangey red. So it could look really, really nice. I mean, I'm hoping for it. We're going to do obviously the best job we can, like no matter what. So we want to make it look absolutely stunning. So yeah, I mean, I don't know how long this video is today, but obviously we've got to try and make 3 days in one video, which is actually quite a lot, because obviously I have to every night, like my storage at the minute, so I've got an hour and 43 left. So yeah, I have to put all the videos from today onto my laptop, to then come back tomorrow and do the same tomorrow, so I can edit it all into one video. So yeah, it's quite a lot going on at the minute. I mean, I'm quite busy. I've invested about £650 a month into Google Ads. This job that you're seeing now is one of those jobs that I got from that advert. So yeah, I mean, it's going quite well. Google Ads is actually working for me. We'd say we're over halfway there from today, and all of it was quite soft today, so it was all basically chisel work. But tomorrow be on the angle grinder, and then cleaning, and then join. I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, please leave a like and subscribe, because I'm trying to boost the channel a little bit so we can reach more people, and obviously make it worthwhile making the videos a little bit. So yeah, I want to kind of start one of those campaigns where you go out and give people free cleans for something that's cool. Like there's a brick wall going past me now which literally could do a great clean. But yeah, like little bits like that. So yeah, it can be quite interesting. I want to kind of develop the channel into something that's like a weekly upload as well as something cool. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. I'll see you in about 2 seconds for you. It'll be about 14 hours for me. So yeah, see you in a sec. Right then folks, good morning. We are back. It's day 2. It rained quite a lot last night, as you can see. We've got quite a lot of puddling. But yeah, we've got all this area to do, and then kind of like this side, this half, got a few little bits left, like this bit. It's quite hard getting close to the wall with the grinder because my handle is like in the way. I know you can chainsaw it, but it doesn't really help because I just can't see that like then. So yeah, we'll make our way through it. I'll put you on a little time lapse, not too long, because I want to try and preserve battery if I can for the cleaning side. So yeah, have fun. Right then folks, we have grounded out all of the joints. It's officially complete. I feel like my back's broken. Literally bedding down now is killing me. So yeah, just pulled out the hose reel. We're gonna basically, it's now about 5 to 3, so we've got like a few hours. We're gonna try and go over just the top layer, not use any chemicals or anything like that today. just go over with the flat surface cleaner, do the edges with the turbo, and then come back tomorrow, put a hypo on which with black spots, and then we'll clean that bit down there as well. And then by the end of the day tomorrow we should be all there, and then we can just brush in the joint and stuff. So hopefully we can do it all by tomorrow, and that'll be, pardon me, that'll be us done. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot that has come up, a lot. We've done 3 of those woven bags over there. The vacuum is currently half full, and we've got all this mess there as well. So yeah, there's a lot that's come out. I'd recommend, if you ever think about doing one of these yourself, you definitely need a chisel and a hammer, and you definitely need multiple grout, rake, angle grinding blades, whatever you call them, because I've gone through 2, and that was me being very light as well with it. So yeah, definitely a good tool though. I mean, it'd still be, if it was just a chisel, I'd still be chiseling away. So yeah, so yeah, I'll set you up in a time lapse, have a good clean, and then I'll wrap you up at the end of the day, and then we'll go again tomorrow. So yeah, day 2 is good. We're doing well for time. Right then folks, we are at the end of day 2, and this is how we've just gone over the top with the flat surface cleaner. You can see some tram lines there. I'm not really too sure what keeps doing that, but yeah, so we'll come back tomorrow. We'll turbo nozzle all around the edges. You can see that we haven't done any of the edging at all. We've basically just gone round with the flat surface cleaner, but it's looking good. I can really see that the transformation is going to be unbelievable, because when we put the joint stuff in as well, it's going to really pop, because you'll have the reddy goldy colour of the tiles. But there's quite a few black spots in it, so we're going to chemically treat it tomorrow. I don't know how many times it will go. I reckon I've got about 3 treatments of hypo that I've actually got on me. I mean, I need to order some more really. I'll actually do that tonight, but that means it will come next week. So yeah, we'll use all the hypo I've got pretty much and try and make it really look good. But we've also got this bit tomorrow as well. So yeah, there's quite a few black spots in there. I'll show you all that tomorrow. But yeah, we're also doing all the brickwork and stuff around the outside of these steps, those steps over there. The brick wall that goes along from that power pot to that flower pot. So yeah, quite a busy day tomorrow. But yeah, cool. Day 2 is over. I'm gonna go put my feet up because I feel like I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight, and I'm so hungry. And I think, yeah, that'd be great. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Right then, folks, back for day 3. Yeah, as I said, as where we finished up yesterday, we start off going around to the edges, and then we'll have a bit of a tidy up, and then it's raining at the moment. So yeah, we'll try and do all the cleaning, and then when it's meant to brighten up about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock ish. So then we'll do the chemical treatments, because obviously you want to try and make it not be diluted, like try and keep the dilution rate to a minimal. There's a few black spots on that area, so we'll have a like 5-to-1 the X-jet on that. Obviously you've got to be careful with the wood though, because all this is all wood. So yeah, and at the end there as well, there's like a little flower bed thing there. It's in wood. So yeah, we'll start with the turbo nozzle around all here, and then yeah, we're good to go. Right then folks, that's us all clean. There's still a few remaining black spots and stuff around, but if we spend any more time on it, we'll never ever get it done. So this had 3 treatments, this side's had 2 treatments, but this side looks better than this side. This side's had 3 treatments, and there's still quite a few black spots around, but I've basically used all my chemical. So yeah, right, it's about 3 o'clock. It's now home time, quickly to grab the joint stuff and see how much we can get out today. And then obviously if we don't get out, I have to come back and do another day. So yeah, got to step in it a little bit, try and get things done for the end of the day. Cool. Right then folks, all done. It looks lovely, it looks new. Really happy with that jointed stuff. It's come up really looking nice. Obviously this bit's already dry now because we did this about an hour and a half ago. But yeah, looking really nice. And as we walk around here, most of the black spotting has gone. There's still, I'd say, I don't know, maybe 15% left. But most of them has gone. This area looks lovely compared to what it did. I'll put some pictures in now of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Yeah, it's really, really looking like it's glowing. Yeah, really pleased with it. It's been a long few days. But the relief when you do it and how nice it looks once you finish is great.